In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you fix the WhatsApp connecting error. Now in these situations, the first thing that you can straight away do is try to toggle on and toggle off the airplane mode. And also you can try to switch between your network connections. So for example, if you're currently connected to a Wi-Fi, you can try switching between your cellular data or vice versa. If this is not the issue with you and after doing this step, you're still having the connecting error issue, other thing that you can also try out is try to restart your phone. Just tap and hold the power button on your phone and then simply restart it. This ensures that any sort of glitches on your phone will be immediately solved. Now if this is not the issue with you either, what you'll also need to ensure is that you have the latest version of WhatsApp. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for WhatsApp. If you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. The other thing that you can also try out is try to clear the WhatsApp cache. Tap and hold the app of WhatsApp, head over to the eye icon, and from this exact setting, you'll see the option called storage. Just tap on the clear cache option. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the WhatsApp connecting error message. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.